Hi, I'm Sam Brown, the IT Director with the Georgia World Congress Center Authority, and I'm here at this CDW event today to talk about our wireless implementation at the Georgia Dome.
So it all starts with a simple discussion, bringing myself in, like a solutions architect, working with our sales team, and basically sitting down, engaging with the customer, understanding the environment, understanding what are some of the challenges they're facing, some of the new projects that they're looking to support.
So there's really two drivers. One was extending the infrastructure. The other was enhancing the fan experience. The Georgia Dome was built in 1992, and very little thought was given to data networks at the time.
So that we have legacy devices that are out there and this new technology that supports high bandwidth. When you mix the two, it basically degrades the network.
So we had a real need to extend the infrastructure. Another driver here was a new point of sale system. Over time, they've added 150 portable terminals, most of those being on the lower level concourse and the upper level concourse. And up until this past year, they were a cash-only operation. We worked with the catering folks and them selecting a partner to put in portable terminals. And then secondly, the NFL has really put an emphasis on enhancing the fan experience. And one of those enhancements is going to be Wi-Fi. And another component, the Falcons have been testing over the last couple of years an iPhone, Android, and actually have it for the BlackBerry, an app. It's their mobile app, and we have the ability to provide in-stadium video over the Wi-Fi. In the stadium, you connect to our network, and you can get 6 different camera feeds, I think it's 4 to 6, and view video. It's integrated into their stats network, so you can pull up a replay from any play throughout the game. So that was another driver, is the in-stadium video.
Devices that are capable of doing higher throughput, mobility, voice and video, and taking advantage of those technologies. You have to get away from the legacy and move up to some newer technology.
We worked with CDWG, the government arm of CDW, in the design and implementation, the survey, the spectrum analysis. They were pretty much a turnkey partner throughout the process and implementation.
It's all part of the discovery and understanding, engaging with the customer, and understand that there's no silver bullet here.
CDWG was great to work with. Rich actually came in while we were still in kind of the discovery phase and did a pre-sales assessment. He put together just a high-level preliminary design of what a wireless infrastructure would look like in the dome, and that allowed us to kind of provide a ballpark figure to the executives. Kind of the goal is just really to create these small cells of coverage using directional antenna, by tuning down the power on the access points, creating just these very small overlapping. I think we designed for 10% geographic overlap. The biggest challenge was just the physical infrastructure, getting conduit to the places we needed it, getting cable to the places we needed it, and actually the physical installation of these access points. I mentioned the concrete at the dome is it's kryptonite. We went through a single titanium drill bit every 8 holes. So wow. For every 2 antenna that we mounted, we went through a titanium drill bit, and so that was
an unanticipated cost.
Unanticipated and time. Just drilling through that. I mean, where we thought we would be able to get 8 to 10 antenna up a day, it was 4. So we ended up having teams kind of working around the clock because our goal was to be up for the regular season. But kind of in that project management role, it was they made it really easy. They were available when we needed them to be available. Doing a site survey when the stadium's empty is a lot different than doing it when the stadium's at capacity. So they came in during the basketball tournament last year, kind of did the spectrum analysis, did the site survey, and from after that, they delivered a design.
At the end of the day, management can say we made an investment in wireless, and we're happy, and we're gaining from it.
Both Cisco and CDWG were very aware of our needs, and obviously it's a high-profile project. So I think both parties involved wanted to make sure that it went off well.
They brought their A game, and they did. Excellent.
Currently, our wireless network will accommodate up to 14,000 concurrent users, and it's scalable up to 25,000 users. We've received a lot of good feedback from fans at the Dome via Twitter and fan surveys, and we're hoping to expand upon our offerings to the public in the future.